The Boise area is home to beautiful homes and buildings. As a result, homeowners and business owners in the region need to consider the cost of installing new gutters. Gutters are essential to protecting a structure from water damage and other hazards. When selecting a new one, the price can vary greatly depending on what material is used and how much installation labor is required. When evaluating the cost of new gutters, homeowners should consider all aspects, such as quality and longevity. High-quality materials will generally last longer due to their durability and resistance to weathering elements like rain or snow. Additionally, professional installation may increase the cost but will ensure that the job is done right so that homeowners don't have to worry about potential problems down the line. When deciding whether or not to install it on your home, you should consider all factors, such as the size of the roof, type of materials used, labor costs, and so on. It would be best to weigh these factors against how much money you will save on repairs or maintenance that could be avoided. Hiring an installation near me can help lower the cost. In most cases, installing new gutters will be a wise investment for homeowners in Boise. Feel free to contact our team Boise Gutter Contractors to help you out. We are happy to cater to all your gutter-related services. We can provide installation, repair, maintenance, as well as cleaning.